The implementation of the 4 labor codes has been stalled, particularly the Code on Wages Act, 2019, which came into effect on 1 April 2020. This code replaced Pesawaghle, Payment of Wages Act, 1936, Mewara, Minimum Wages Act, 1948, Punjab, Payment of Bonus Act, 1965, and Engineer or Equal Remuneration Act, 1976. It mandates the government to set a floor wage based on workers' living standards, with penalties of up to 3-month imprisonment and a fine of Rs 1 lakh for violations. Benefits include simplifying 29 central labor laws, reducing definitional multiplicity, resolving disputes more easily, encouraging investment, ensuring better safety standards, and promoting gender parity. However, criticisms highlight its anti-worker stance, increased ease of firing workers, strike restrictions, allowance for women's night shifts, inadequate social security provisions for MSMEs and startups, and neglect of invisible labor. Historical context: in 1969, the first Committee on Labor deemed a national minimum wage neither feasible nor desirable. The Bhutalingam Committee in 1978 recommended a national floor-level minimum wage for worker protection but excluded the unorganized sector like agriculture. In 1991, the National Commission for Rural Labor (NCR) led to the Regulation of Employment and Conditions of Service Act, 1996, and same year in 1996, the national floor-level minimum wage started with Rs 35 per day. By 2023, this rose to Rs 176 per day, and currently, it stands at Rs 178 per day. Despite economic growth, policies must address equitable income distribution for the lowest strata.